In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Visa gift card to Venmo. Full guide. First, open your Venmo app and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app so the buttons and labels look the same as what I'm describing. Once you're in, go to the Me tab. That's your profile screen, and it's where you'll find your balance, your wallet, and your saved payment methods. From your profile, look for the option to add money. This is the entry point for moving funds into your Venmo balance. If you don't see it right away, check near your balance or wallet area. Venmo may show slightly different layouts depending on your device and account features. Next, choose your payment option. If you already have a funding source connected, you'll see it here. Since we're working with a Visa gift card, we need to make sure it's added as a valid debit card. If you don't see it listed, that's okay. Just continue to the next step. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Pick an amount that's within your gift card's available balance. It's a good idea to leave a tiny buffer on the card in case any small verification holds occur, which some issuers use temporarily to confirm the card. Now add a bank or debit card. For this process, we're going to use the debit card option. Tap debit card when Venmo asks what kind of payment method to add. Many Visa gift cards can be treated like debit cards, but acceptance can vary based on the card issuer and Venmo's current policies. Enter your card details carefully. Type the full card number exactly as it appears on the gift card. Add the expiration date, then the security code from the back of the card. Finally, enter the billing zip code. If your gift card issuer requires you to register a billing address or zip code, make sure that's set up with the issuer first so it matches what you enter here. Mismatched zip codes are a common reason for declines. When everything looks correct, tap Add. Venmo will validate the card and attach it to your wallet. If you selected the card as your payment option and entered your amount, you can proceed to complete the transfer. Processing time can vary. Some card-based loads may be immediate, while others may take longer or may not be eligible depending on the card and Venmo's rules. If you run into an error, double-check that the card is activated, has enough balance to cover the amount, and that all details are accurate. Keep an eye on your Venmo notifications and balance to confirm when the funds arrive. And that's it. Your Visa gift card funds are now on their way to your Venmo.